In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add currency symbol easily in Excel. If you've ever typed a column of amounts and wondered how to make them display with a currency symbol without retyping anything, you're in the right place. We'll keep this quick and practical. You'll select the cells you want to format, then change their number format from custom to currency in the number section on the Home tab. That's it. Along the way, I'll explain what's happening so your data stays clean and ready for calculations. Start by selecting the cells that hold the values you want to show as money. You can click a single cell, drag to highlight a range, or use your keyboard to select larger blocks. If your amounts are scattered, you can select multiple ranges by holding the modifier key for your system while clicking. The key idea is to highlight only the cells you want formatted. This keeps other data, like quantities or dates, untouched. With the cells selected, look to the Home tab on the ribbon. In the Number section, you'll see a format box that might currently say General, Number, or Custom. Open that menu and switch it to Currency. As soon as you choose Currency, Excel applies a currency symbol to every selected cell and preserves the numeric value underneath. That means your sums, averages, and other formulas continue to work exactly as before. Only the display has changed. By default, the symbol and decimal places follow your regional settings. If you need a different currency or you want to fine-tune decimals and negative numbers, you can adjust those options in the Format controls within the same Number section. Think of currency as a display layer. The data remains numeric. You're simply telling Excel how to present it. A few quick tips to avoid common hiccups. Make sure your cells actually contain numbers, not text that looks like numbers. If you see a small green triangle warning about stored text, resolve that before applying formatting so your totals stay accurate. Also, be consistent. Apply the currency format to all related amounts in your sheet so your reports are clear and professional. To recap, highlight the cells you want to format, then in the Number section on the Home tab, change the format from Custom to Currency. That instantly adds the currency symbol and standardizes the look of your financial data. With these two simple actions, your spreadsheet becomes easier to read, easier to share, and ready for reliable analysis.